This is our new Keyport Molle Visor Strap. If you're not familiar with molle webbing, it's very common on tactical bags. It has these slots, or in some cases webbing, so you can attach gear and anything with a pocket clip. All of our Anywhere Tools kits were designed to work perfectly with molle webbing. It also works well with our medical alert clips. It's made of durable 900D Oxford fabric with hook and loop, aka Velcro, on this side, so you can easily attach your favorite morale patch. To attach the Molle Visor Strap to my visor, I'm just going to loop it around the back side here, pull it through, and then hold it as tight as you can and pull it around and attach the hook and loop. And then you can attach some of your modules and any kind of accessories you want that have a pocket clip, and you can put a patch. The glow in the dark patch is really awesome on here, especially obviously at night. And the main thing that I like to have on mine is the escape tool with the pocket flare on it. The escape tool has a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. It's really good to have at arm's reach if you got into an accident. You can also attach this from the side. I use this as a dome light, my pocket flare at night. It's easy just to take off and then point it in the back seat or down here if you need to find something. Another idea is this is our new NFC faceplate. You can program some smart home controls to this, and then when you get home you can say turn on your lights or open your garage door, depending on what kind of smart home technology you have. You would just scan your phone on it and that would activate the automation that you've already programmed into it. You can also use the backside here for thin brochures, ID cards, receipts. If you have a thinner visor like this one, it's about 6 inches. You do the same thing, loop it through the back, but then you're gonna wanna pull it all the way around and hold it tight as you bring this side around, and pull the whole thing tight as you attach the hook and loop. And I still have access to the mirror. Get your Molle Visor Strap at mykeyport.com. Check the link below in the description.